So today I just want to quickly explain what the phrase open source means, because I've seen several people, including legal experts, use it wrongly. Purely in technology, it's a bit like hackers. Hacking means to produce clever software. Hackers are people apparently that break into computers. So it's very, very important that people understand the differentiation. When I'm talking about hacking, I could be referring to computer programming or physically making something, or I could be referring to breaking into systems. So we don't want that. Phrases that mean two different things in the same industry is really annoying. So open source, it only means one thing. It means that the source code for the software, when you get the software, is also available. So what that means is if you want to make changes to it, if you want to fix bugs, if you want to explore it, add features, it's much, much more easy because you've got the source code, and we can have AI modify things. A lot of people seem to think that open source means free. That's absolutely not the case. It's a completely different word, completely different meaning. Free software just means that there's no charge for the software. There's no reason at all why you can't charge for software and it be open source. There's various different open source licenses as well. A lot of those allow you to use and distribute the software for free, but it's not the same. I've noticed also with artificial intelligence, people refer to some of the free, not really free, but basically zero cost subscriptions as open source. That's completely incorrect. That's not what the phrase means. And a lot of these libraries, like ChatGPT, is not, for example, open source AI agent. There are ones that exist, but you also, as well as the code for it, you need the weightings of the different ways that AI figures stuff out. So please don't use the word open source interchangeably with the word free. That's not what it means. It means that the code's available. And if you're employing programmers, you always have the opportunity to get them on a non-disclosure agreement and keep the stuff proprietary, or to open source the code and allow other people to use it. There is a lot of argument that open source software isn't very good. It makes no sense because it's just the code, and also that it's more vulnerable from a security point of view. Only if you believe in security by obscurity. So what you're saying is because we've hidden the code, it makes it harder for hackers to look for vulnerabilities. That might have been true in the past, but now we have AI, and AI can do it whether or not you've got the source code. AI can even just take a screenshot of the software and then reproduce it for you. So make sure that you're not using the words free and open source interchangeably. That's my rant for the day. I hope you have a great day. If you've got any thoughts, let me know. I didn't want to get into the GNU Linux thing, but the point here is that please don't use technology words wrongly. If you don't understand what they mean, ask somebody techie to explain it. Have a great day.